right, it is an absolutely beautiful day in Central Texas. The flowers are out. We got the bluebonnets. We got the Indian paintbrush. We have the coreopsis. Absolutely gorgeous. Can't wait to go fishing. Okay. It is another absolutely gorgeous day here in Central Texas. Bluebonnets are out. Indian paintbrush, sunrise coreopsis, primrose. The redbuds are still hanging on. I mean, it's just an absolute beautiful spring, best I can remember in a while. So the weather forecast today, perfect weather. I think like high 75, light breeze. I mean, it's just going to be a fantastic day. Hopefully the fishing will be good too. So, water's warmed up a bit. We had quite a bit of rain over the last couple of weeks. I haven't been out in a while. And so, water's up, a little bit warmer. It's pretty cloudy though. It's a little off color. But I think we might get into some spawning bass. I think the water's probably warm enough that they're probably coming in. Now we're just going to go try along these shorelines. Probably in, 8 to 10 feet of water. And then we'll go back to our tried and true spot later this afternoon when it warms up a bit and see if we can't get some big ones. Hope I can get some, I keep saying I'm going to get some hybrid bass in here as well. Still would love to land a couple of those. I'd like to get into some crappie today too if we can. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm very optimistic. Okay, we're going to try this fly here today. So, spinnerhead on it. Tied this up a few weeks ago. It did really, really well last time I used it, and so, why mess with success, right? Okay, I know there's a bunch of hydrilla just kind of coming out towards me, and then there's a shallow spot kind of right in front of me here. So I'm going to put it out, and we're going to let it sink. Let's see if we can't get something coming off of this little point. Got him. Nice. Oh, decent sized bass. Ooh, charging the kayak. Ooh, man, he's putting up a good fight. He's not that huge. He's decent, but not huge. He's putting up a heck of a fight. Nice. All right, come here, bud. Ooh. All right. Well, how's that for first blood? That's not a bad bass. Man, all of them, every single one I've been catching. Oh, shoot. Might have got him in the gills. 17-inch bass. We'll get him in there quick. Hope you're okay, bud. Let's try right up there. Got him. Ooh. He might have gotten the hydrilla. I was going to say he feels huge, but I think he's in the hydrilla. Oh, he was just a little guy. Alright. Oh, that was up pretty shallow, so maybe I'm fishing too deep. I've got two right here off of this little point. Didn't get the last one on the boat. Got down on the hydrilla, I think, and I couldn't get a good hook set on him. Got him. Oh, this is a good one. This is 3 out of that same spot. Oh no, he's just a little guy. Ooh. Oh, he's fighting good. He's just a little one though. Ooh. All right, well that's 3 right in this spot here. Ooh. Oh man, he was not coming undone. There you go. Nice little Decker bass. Thank you. Ooh. All right, this is we're in 8 feet right here. Ooh. Oh my gosh, this feels like a good one. Whoa. Oh yeah, that's a decent one right there. Oh yeah. Whew. That was in 9 feet of water. Oh my gosh, yeah, he's a chunk. Nice. Oh, whoops, thought we had him. I thought you were done. All right, come on. Last time. Ooh. Man. Now something ate his gills. That ain't great. Ooh, let's see here. That is a 19-inch bass. Very nice. And again, every single one of them have whatever that is. And then he's got his gills all torn up. All right. Thank you, sir. Ooh, got him. Oh, shoot, he was just a little one. I didn't think I actually had one. Whoops. I didn't set the hook. Okay, I'm gonna try one right up in there. It's 11 feet deep here. We just had it. Look. Oh, yeah, there we go. He took that hard. Ooh, this feels like a big one. Oh yeah, that's another decent one. Sweet. We just had a little tiny one here. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, come on. There we go. We got you now. Oh man, that's another nice one. Ooh. Yeah, oh man, look again, same spot. Ooh, he's probably close to 20. This one's a chunk. Yeah, he's right at 20. Right at 20. He's skinny. Thank you. Alrighty. Ooh. I'm sitting on top of this little shelf here. Bunch of hydrilla here. Got him. Oh, another nice one. I love it when they jump. It's so cool. Ooh. Whoa. All right. I think we got you this time. Ooh. There we go. Boy, another nice one. Man. He's 17, I'm gonna guess. Let's see. Almost 18. Yeah, that's a nice one. Thank you. Boy, that's a lot of nice fish out of this one little spot here. You see that one jump right there. I don't know what kind of fish that is. It looks like a bluegill, but I don't know. Oh, shoot! Something big just hit it. Oh, shoot! Let's slow it down through there again. Oh my gosh, something definitely went after it. Got him. bass. Oh, is that a sunfish? That is a big ass sunfish. Look at that. Man, that's a big one. Love the colors on that thing. That is pretty. Thank you. I wonder if there's a bunch of them down there. It's the first sunfish I've caught this year. Alright, I'm gonna try it. And that's what looked like what was jumping. Alright, whoop. Ooh, shoot. Put one right in front of us. Look right there. That actually looked like a crappie. Got him. Oh, that little bass. Nice. Very cool. Woo. Alrighty. A little guy. Pretty colors though. Man, look at the colors on that. Alright. Thank you. Woohoo. Got his revenge. Alright, I'm gonna slow it way, way down. We're gonna have like a, we're basically gonna bounce it on the bottom here. Oh my gosh, this is a big one. Oh my gosh, he's pulling back. Oh, he's not that big. I look at him, man, he hit that hard. He's really not that big. He's fighting like crazy, but he's not that big. Yeah, in fact, he's a little one. Holy cow. He must have been in the hydrilla. Ooh. There you go. Another nice little Decker bass. Wow, that's a pretty one. Got pretty colors on him. Thank you. Alright, we just got a little one right here in front of us. We're gonna see if he's got prints. But just a really slow retrieve. We're in 9 feet right here and we're casting into, I'm gonna say 6 or 7 probably. There's a little small drop off here. Got him. Oh, that's a decent one. Not huge, but decent. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, stay out of that anchor. He's getting into the anchor. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Ooh. Got some kind of sore on his mouth. I don't know what that's all about. Ah, another pretty one. 17? 16 and a half. Well, another beauty. Thank you. Alright, we are in 14. We're casting into 6, and there's a lip right there. And my gut tells me right there around that 9 foot where that lip starts, that's where the fish are going to be hanging out. Yep. What did we get? A little baby bass? Yeah. Ooh. Little tiny guy. Alrighty. Thank you. Alright, the propeller broke, so we're gonna go with a beadhead. This lake, man, it's like glass. There's not even a breeze. It's supposed to be like 20-mile-an-hour winds and 30 to 40-mile-an-hour gusts tomorrow. Ugh. I guess this is the calm before the storm, as they say. Okay, we are in 10 feet here. I'm pretty sure it's like 6 right there. There's a little ridge that comes out. And there's a bunch of hydrilla right here in front of us as well. We've got a couple of decent ones here this morning. Oh, here we go. Got him. Nice. Now he doesn't feel that big. Oh, there he goes. He does now. Charging the kayak. Ah, no, just a little guy. Oh, thank you. That's a perfect release. Oh, nice. Whoa. Ooh, there we go. That was a good hit. Oh, oh man. He attacked that thing. Holy cow, I thought he was going to be a monster. It was that little tiny guppy. Huh. Alright, well, let's see if he's got more. Ooh. Friends. Got him. Just a little guy. Ooh. Oh, that's, I don't know what kind of bass that is. Ooh. Almost looks like a guad almost. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. Man, what an absolutely beautiful day it was. Did pretty good on the fish. I think it was 10, 15, something like that. One 20-incher. Absolutely fantastic day. Cannot wait to come back and do this again. Till next time.